Hello friends, today let us see how to prepare lady's finger or vendakai soup. It's a very healthy soup and this goes very well even with rice. Here are the main ingredients listed for 4 to 6 servings. Further, here are the things required for seasoning and for garnishing. First, cook the moong dal or lentils in lot of water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Meanwhile, take another pan and heat 1.5 tablespoon of oil and start frying the cut pieces of okra or lady's finger. We can add 1 tablespoon of yogurt to speed up the process of removing the stickiness from lady's finger or vendakai. Keep stirring frequently as it will tend to stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the stickiness is all gone, you can turn off the stove. Now the lentils are also very well cooked, but water has reduced in quantity. So we want to add more hot water into this pan so that we can get started to prepare the soup. Now add the green chilies and sliced onions and tomatoes as well. Once the mixture starts to boil, add the fried lady's finger or vendakai into it. Mix it well and bring it to a boil yet again. Now add the salt as required and let the stove be on for a couple more minutes. Now heat 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter for seasoning the soup. Once the ghee melts, add the bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cloves and anise into it and fry. Then add the fennel seeds and fry. Now turn off the heat and add the curry leaves as well. So our seasoning is now ready. Now add the seasoning to the soup and turn off the heat. Allow the soup to cool down a little bit and then garnish it with 1/4 cup milk and coriander leaves. You want to cool down the soup before you add the milk so that it doesn't get curdled. Hot and spicy okra soup is now ready. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please do share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon again with another video.